Hi there, we are excited to announce the publication of the Canary Wharf Office Space and Flexible Workspace Providers Directory. We have published the directory highlighting the flexible workspace options available in the East London and Docklands Business District, as its office space market has seen significant activity over the past 2.5 years. A snapshot of the recent spate of activity can be bookended by major announcements by HSBC, which has held its headquarters in Canary Wharf since 2002. In June 2023, HSBC announced it would move its headquarters out of Canary Wharf to a smaller office in St Paul's in the City of London, when its lease at 8 Canada Square expired in 2027. This led to speculation of a mass exodus by other office occupiers from Canary Wharf. Renderings even circulated in the media showing newly vacated office space being converted to other uses, from apartments to hotels. However, in June 2024, online banking firm Revolut announced it was moving its global headquarters to the YY London building, having signed a 10-year lease at the Canary Wharf property. In January 2025, the University College London, UCL, School of Management announced it had extended its lease and expanded its footprint to 100,000 square feet in the district. The management school would double its presence at 1 Canada Square and occupy 2 additional floors on levels 48 and 49 of the iconic skyscraper. In February 2025, it was announced that US banking giant JP Morgan was in talks to lease 150,000 square feet at 1 Cabot Square. JP Morgan required overflow space, having outgrown its European headquarters at nearby 25 Bank Street. This deal completed in July 2025. Later in February, fintech firm Zopa doubled its office footprint by moving to 20 Water Street after signing a lease for 45,000 square feet. It would join the Canary Wharf fintech community that includes eToro, Fintech OS, and Wise Alpha, amongst others. Then, in July 2025, it was reported that Swiss watchmaker Swatch Group had signed a lease to rent 9,500 square feet of office space at the Sierra Quebec Bravo, or SQB, office complex. And then in August, Visa was reported to be in advanced talks regarding moving its European headquarters to 1 Canada Square. In the same month, Spanish financial services company BBVA extended its lease to 2035 at 1 Canada Square and expanded its office footprint to 60,000 square feet as part of the regear. And then, later that month, HSBC announced that it had reversed its plan to fully vacate Canary Wharf after signing a 15-year lease for 210,000 square feet at 40 Bank Street to complement its other new office. The deal signalled the bank's commitment to maintaining a presence in Canary Wharf and put paid to media speculation of a mass exodus from the district. As the level of activity within the office market increases, so does it evolve. And whilst the leasehold deals make the headlines, the flex-space sector is also seeing very high levels of activity. There are now 12 flex-space companies in Canary Wharf offering a growing range of private serviced office spaces, managed office solutions, and co-working spaces. Together, these providers, operators, and landlords offer flex space options in 14 buildings in Canary Wharf, all featured in the directory. We hope that you find it useful, and until next time, take care.